Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is inspired by Angelica Nyqvist. I've seen her do videos like this before where she takes a palette and she creates her own version of it using her single shadows. And today I will be doing that with the Colourpop Lilac palette. I think it's, gosh, what is the silly name that they came up with? Lilac You a Lot, the Lilac You a Lot palette, and it is in their 9-pan series. So I will be using this Tarte magnetic palette to fit all 9 shadows in there, and going through a bunch of my singles to just see what I can come up with. And I will have a picture of the palette up on the screen so you can see what I'm trying to dupe slash do a little better than over here. So this palette definitely has lilac to it, but also the top row looks straight pink to me, and I want to do completely all purple. So first I'm going into my Divina palette with the blue batch set and the pink icing set, and I think I'm going to take this light pinky purple right here, Nora, one of these, maybe this one, which is Kaya, and this one, which is Jux, and this is like it's a pinky purple. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm not super good with colors. This palette has all of my other Divina singles, and I think I do want a bright purple in there because there is a very bright purple in the bottom row in the center. So I think I'm gonna take this one right here, which is Shy Violet. And I think that's it for this palette. Then I want some shimmers, so I'm gonna go into my Looxi singles that I don't have in other palettes. And these are the shimmery purples that I have right here. And looking at the vibe I've got going on, I think maybe this like silvery grapey purple, which is Spyro, and this one, because I think that one might be too dark, this is Banshee. I'm not arranging them at all yet, I'm just throwing them in there, and it looks like they have about 4 shimmers in there, and I only have 2. So let's go into this Makeup Geek because I know I have some purple shimmers. Looking at what I have, I think I want a light purple, so let's go with Blacklight, and this is like a purple duochrome color. I need one more shimmer, so let's go into my Colourpop shimmers, and I think this super light purple with, it looks like it might have a gold shift to it, Prowlin, will look really pretty. And I think I definitely need a deep color like they have in the bottom right color, so let's go into Colourpop Mattes. And this one looks perfect right here. This is Sleeper. So let's arrange this so it looks a little bit more like the Colourpop palette. Push these guys over here. These 2. There we go. I think I need to turn my lights down so you can see this a little better, so hold on. Alright, I think you can see this a bit better now and see that that is like a light lilac color. This is my version. I think this is something I would personally like a lot better if I'm going for a lilac vibe, because I wouldn't want like a whole row of pinks. And let's swatch it and see what it looks like. So that is the first row with 2 Divina mattes and a Colourpop shimmer. And that is the second row with Makeup Geek and Looxi. And that is the last row with Divina and Colourpop. And there are all 9 shades in my version of the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot palette. And again, this is the Lilac You A Lot palette next to my version. I hope seeing me dupe this palette with colors that I have in my collection and doing it in a way I would prefer helped you realize you can shop your own stash and maybe gave you inspiration. And if you're curious about any of these colors, I will have them linked down below. Again, I was inspired to do this from Angelica Nyqvist, so don't forget to check her channel out. I will have her link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!